Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to remote start your Nissan Kicks. First, make sure your vehicle is safely parked with the ignition off, all doors closed and locked, and the hood securely shut. To begin, simply press the lock button on your key fob. Then, within 5 seconds, press and hold the circular engine start button on your fob for at least 2 seconds. Your Kicks engine will then start, and the parking lights will illuminate. Your Kicks will run for a period of 10 minutes after a remote start. If you need more time, you can extend this by repeating the lock and hold engine start button sequence on your key fob. This adds another 10 minutes, for a total of 20 minutes. For even greater convenience, you can also use the My Nissan app on your smartphone to remotely start your vehicle from almost any location. When remote started, your Kicks intelligent climate control system will automatically begin to heat or cool the interior based on the outside temperature. Remember, after 2 consecutive remote starts, you must turn the ignition on and then off inside the vehicle before using the remote start feature again. It's also important to always be mindful of your surroundings and any local ordinances regarding remote engine operation. Once your Kicks is running remotely, to begin driving, simply enter the vehicle, apply the brake pedal, and press the ignition switch. The key fob remote start typically works within a range of approximately 60 meters, or about 200 feet from your vehicle. Always ensure your intelligent key is outside the vehicle for the remote start system to activate properly. Enjoy the comfort and convenience.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.